Yo, I'm gonna try this intro video again. I've attempted to make like 3 or 4 fishing videos since the end of ice season and they have not been successful, and I keep doing the same intro. So anyways, let's try it again. It's 53 degrees, April 12th. I keep trying to go to this place to get these crappies. It was somewhat warm this week. Problem is we just got dumped down with like 2 inches of rain in like 24 hours, and I'm sure the lake levels are kind of high, kind of probably cool down the temperatures, but I'm gonna go try again. We had the worst ice fishing season ever. 2 years in a row, 1 weekend to fish here in my location. Last year, this past year, warmest winter in recorded history, and the one before that wasn't much better. So yeah, that's why there's only the 2 videos up, because I had 1 weekend, and even up north everything sucked and everything was sketchy, so I didn't bother. But yeah, today I'm gonna go try to get some crappies. It's windy though. I'm worried about the wind. It's like gusting, like 40-mile-per-hour gusts we got. This, I got a feeling this is gonna suck and be a waste of time, but you never know. I mean, these fish gotta come in here at some point. Usually, you know, if it takes forever to warm up, they'll just spawn out in the lake. But like I said, we were in the 60s all week, but it's been raining, this and that, yada yada yada. But we'll see what happens. Keep her tuned. I got to get over there, see what everything looks like. If it's too high or if it's moving too fast or something, I'm just gonna say screw it. Or if it's clearish, I'll still fish it. So we'll see what happens. Keep her tuned. All right, we're here. Look at all the rain we've got. Yeah, it's high and it's chocolatey. But I drove here, so I'm gonna give it a shot for like a half an hour. All right, see how it goes. Yeah, it's high and muddy and shitty, but you can see there's a dead pike right there in the water. That's interesting. Well, first location, not so good as I expected. Too much rain, water got high, temperature of the water got lower. It needs to drop, and this needs to drop a foot or two, and it needs to stay like in the 60s or 70s for a few days while it's doing that. Then these fish will come back in. We'll come in to spawn. I'm gonna try probably maybe tomorrow afternoon or Sunday if I'm not down fishing Naples Creek. So we'll see. I'm gonna go back to the pond by my house, give it a shot. Caught a few the other day, nothing worth posting on YouTube. So but nothing was 10 inches. They're all small in there, but they're 8 inches now. They were 6 inches last year, so we'll see. You never know. I'm gonna go give that a shot. It's probably windier there than it is here, but all right, keep her tuned. All right, so I am at location 2, and once again I have it all to myself. So I caught those 3 crappie here the other day. It's been 4 or 5 days. Water's probably a little bit warmer, maybe more moved in. We'll see what happens. Keep her tuned. Yeah, water levels raised here too quite a bit. What a joke, man. It's like whenever I don't have my daughter and I got a good opportunity to fish, or I'm not going to the gym, or I get out early from work, or yada yada yada, something screws me as far as catching fish goes. Well, I'm here. I'm gonna give it a shot. Keep her tuned. I got a fish. I got a crappie. It's a dinker. It's a dinker, but you know what? It's a fish. It's a fish. He's probably like 6.5, 7 inches. Look at that. Man, it's windy. See if I can get your mama out here. Yeah, they're all stacked up right there. Oh, what size are you? I'll measure him, but I'm guessing you're a 7 or 8. So they gotta be 10 inches here in New York. Come on, stop. All right. Gotta be 10 inches here to keep now in New York, which is kind of stupid, but it is what it is. All right, where's my scale? There it is. All right, stop. We're getting fatter up here too. He's 8 1/4, not bad. Number 3. Number 3. Yeah, they're stacked up right in here in the shallow spot. Oh, I might need the pliers for you. Might. I do need the damn pliers. Way to go, dude. Just crushing these things right now, dude. Ooh, you're pretty. You're pretty. You're fat too. Sucks, I'm casting into the damn wind. Got another one, see? Oh, he got off. Got me another one. Ooh. Getting a little bigger. Oh, there he goes. See you, dude. It's small. Kind of feels small. That crappie. Another crop. There we go. The wind's literally pushing them in right to me. Another crappie. I think a lot of the ones I'm releasing are dying. That's the ones I see floating around. I don't know what's going on. Get away out there. She's down. Yes. This one feels better. Gives me the wind. No. Kind of chunky. What a crappie. Yeah, they're not much in size here, but it's fun. There's another one. And this one's really small. Feels like it anyway. Actually, he's not too bad. That they just keep on hitting. Oh, there he goes.
come on. That one felt good too. That was a bigger one. That might have been my biggest of the day. There we go. You don't feel special. Stop. Another crappie. Sometimes I just take it under and spit it out. Sometimes I miss them, sometimes I just do like a kill shot. Yes, there we go. About 7-8 inches in here by the looks of it. Oh, you had to inhale that one, didn't you? I know, dude. Use the pliers. Oh, stop going in the fish. Get out of the fish. There we go. Just under 8. Most of these fish are like just under 8 inches or a little over 8 inches or 7 or 6 inches. That kind of seems to be the magic area. There we go. Crappie. A little bigger, maybe 8.5. These things just love goblins. And I need the pliers again, great. Yeah, it's a pretty fish. Got me another. Another crop. Go away, wind. Go away. Man, it's annoying. I hate the wind. I hate the wind for fishing. I definitely hate it when I'm hunting. I cannot stand hunting in the wind. I usually don't waste my time unless I'm extremely bored. These things are just all over this damn lure. That's a little better. That's a little better. There we go. You feel small. You feel small. Crappie. There we go. That's not a bad one. That's not a bad one. That might be my biggest so far. They're all thin though. They got no meat on them, which means there's lack of bait fish in this pond. Look at that. Pretty. That was cool. I saw him strike. Ooh. Calm down there, bud. Just a little guy. Go away, wind. Damn it. Stop. What's going on up here? Oh, there's a fish on there. Ooh, you're not bad. You're not bad at all. Shit, where'd he go? Oh, you're coming here. Come here. Fucker. Stop! Bitch. Look at that. It's a nice chunker. They swam off. Like, oh, we gotta get away from this guy. Well, there's one. There's one. Just a little guy. Little. There's one. Ooh, you're not too bad. Another 8-incher. Need the pliers. Well, folks, my GoPro battery's dying, so maybe I'll just get a few more fish on camera and then call it. Oh, you really got that in there, didn't you, dude? There we go. I almost got stuck in line in the cattails. Oh, he don't look bad. Nice and dark. He's dark. Where's the fight in you, man? Where's the fight in you? Man, you're long, but you're not very fat. Love these things, man. I just wish they were bigger in this pond. First location I was at today, they get huge in there, but the conditions just weren't good enough for me or the fish, apparently. There we go. Stop, chill. Get one more good one before I go home. Sometimes give a little twitcheroonie, gets them all stirred up. Just like that. Just like that. Suh, dude. Suh. Come on, one more. One more better than that. One, and I'll go home. So I've caught like 30 of these damn things. Chill, bud. Chill, bud. I'm gonna get one more fish on camera and head out. I don't like the sky's getting dark. I'm getting a little hungry. Had my fun. There we go. Ooh, that doesn't feel too bad. Not bad. It might be the second biggest of the day. It's probably eight and a half. That's exactly what he is. Oh, he's almost 8 and a half. Like, I don't know, 30 of those, maybe more. Finally got some content to put on good old YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing some trout fishing and stuff. Got the boat, I'm getting the boat ready, the registration and everything's in the mail, and so I'll be out in the lakes doing stuff, so keep her tuned. It's been a crappy, windy day.